There is no need to design the path or measure every step. Direction already exists beyond what thought can map. The role is not to figure out or manage every way, but to define the destination and let clarity stay. Intelligence does not need invention. It moves without demand. What matters is the image held steady and well planned. Hold the ideal clearly, let it stand complete, perfect in intention without concern for how to meet. The process finds its own order, the movement finds its means. When vision stays undisturbed and focus remains clean. When the picture stays consistent without strain or fear, pathways quietly organize and direction draws near. No effort rearranges this, no pressure makes it true. Only recognition of the outcome allows it to come through. The greater intelligence responds to definition, not force. What is clearly envisioned sets alignment into course. No, hold the ideal clearly without interference or doubt. The form already exists before it ever comes about. When the image remains whole and intention does not bend, the unseen organizes itself until result and vision blend. The task is not control nor managing each side. It is remaining faithful to the clarity of design. Hold the ideal clearly, let it remain intact. The movement will discover every necessary act. What is complete in awareness will appear in due time. When vision stays consistent and trust stays alive. No effort to invent the way, no need to strain or try. The ideal already contains a means by which it will arrive.